Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most timeless and trusted investment opportunities, gold. Gold has long been regarded as a safe haven asset, preserving wealth and providing stability during uncertain times. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if this video is helpful. In 2023, experts predict that gold will continue to be an attractive investment option due to several key factors. Factor 1. Inflation hedge. Gold has historically served as a hedge against inflation. In times of rising prices, gold has shown its ability to maintain its value and even increase in purchasing power. With the current global economic uncertainties and the potential for inflation, investing in gold can act as a safeguard for your wealth. Factor 2. Diversification. Gold offers diversification benefits to an investment portfolio. It has a low correlation with other assets like stocks and bonds, which means that gold can help reduce overall portfolio risk. Diversifying your investments is crucial for long-term financial success, and adding gold to your portfolio can provide that much needed balance. Factor 3. Geopolitical tensions. Geopolitical tensions are on the rise, with conflicts and uncertainties impacting global economies. During such times, investors often turn to gold as a safe store of value. As geopolitical tensions continue to shape the global landscape, gold can provide stability and protection for your investment portfolio. Factor 4. Technological advancements. Technological advancements have made investing in gold more accessible and convenient. Digital platforms and apps allow investors to buy, sell, and store gold with ease. With the convenience of technology, investing in gold has never been easier. You can now take advantage of gold's potential from the comfort of your own home. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, when it comes to securing your financial future, gold is a solid choice. Happy investing!